But I'm sorry,
Ladies
what-
Man 17.
Are you Ladies Man 17?
What was it?
147.
Ladies Man 147 asked us just now if we've seen his glasses.
Ladies Man 74.
Okay. Rihanna's online. Rihanna.
Yo,
I
Rihanna.
love your music.
And you.
I love Umbrella. It's a good song. How old are you guys? Joe, you're so amazingly gorgeous.
Gorgeous.
Nick, can you
How
say
old are
I
you guys?
love you,
I'm
Diana?
19,
I wanna-
18, and tomorrow 15.
Nick, say I love you, Diana, so she can put it on her MySpace.
I love you, Diana.
Diana wants to know if you guys know who Busted are.
We do know who
Yes.
Busted are. We're good friends with James. We actually received an email with a new song idea today, actually, from him.
Yeah, he's really cool. They're really cool guys.
He's a good dude.
Have you guys ever do this again?
Absolutely.
what are your
Hopefully, we'll
ringtones?
make it sure it's foolproof
One
next
of our
time.
ringtones. My ringtone goes a little something like this. Hold up, hold up,
We love doing these video chats. It's a
Hold
great
up,
way for you
hold
guys
up.
to see us when we're not all the time
hold
there.
up, hold up. Wait, hold on. My
What's your
ringtone.
Joe?
My ringtone goes a little something like this. Hold on. You guys talk about
What keeps you guys going crazy from all the rumors flying around? All the rumors flying around. We have to just know what's true, and we hope that you guys will believe us and know that there's a lot of people out there that are haters, and a lot of it, all of it, mostly is never true. So
What advice do you have for teaching yourself guitar?
my ringtone is good night and goodbye. How did you do that? What advice?
Impressive.
That's impressive. What advice would you give for teaching guitar? I would say practice, practice, practice. Buy yourself a Teach Yourself guitar book. I did that. It worked out really well. Get a DVD instructional alongside. Joe, are you having trouble finding your thing?
Looking at your picture, you gave me a smile that I could never forget, and nothing I could do could protect me from you that night. Wrapped around your finger, always on my mind. Days were bent 'cause we stayed up all night. Yeah, you and I were everything to me. I just want you to know.
All right. Okay.
Nick, what's your ringtone?
It's not as cool
Oh.
as that.
Here's Nick's ringtone.
Joe, you are so funny. Oh my gosh. iPhone or Sidekick 3? iPhone all the way. Unless Sidekick 3 wants to give us some free stuff.
Sidekick 4.
It's come out in Japan. You guys haven't got it yet. What kind of music?
This is Nick's ringtone.
That's not the Pink Panther. It's 007, people.
Come on, get your
Get your theme songs right.